Yes, good morning, guys, to all of you. Not good morning, it's afternoon. Yes. So, good afternoon, guys, to all of you. Please tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not? So, this is a session where we are going to do the hand-picked PYQs from the early 90s, and the subject for today is production. So, please tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not? Yes. Okay. So guys, we are going to start with, so in this session, we are going to solve around approximately 20 questions from the early 90s PYQs and or from all the topics: casting, welding, metal forming, metal cutting, sheet metal operations, metrology inspection, and computer integrated manufacturing. Okay, and also non-traditional machining method. So we are starting, guys. Now we are starting. This is some detail about me. The subject going on is production, and then we are moving to the next. This is my Telegram channel link, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. So you can join this Telegram channel and you can get the PDF, handwritten notes, practice questions, quizzes, all the things. Okay, let me check the sound. Is it coming or not? Yes. Okay, guys. So let us start. And as you know, guys, these sessions are multi. They're also going on the app, and also after this session, you will be getting a quiz for production. And that quiz is also prepared by our specialist, and you can go for the quiz after the session. So we are moving further, guys. This is about the series. As you know, it is started from 6th November. And quiz will be available on the app after this session. You can go and do that after the session. And guys, this is about the Mega Mock Challenge. So you can see, my dear, the Mega Mock Challenge 3 is live from now. And in this, the subject will be manufacturing, material science, industrial engineering, IC engine. Similar to the gate pattern, you can appear for it and you can register for it. Link is there in the description. Also, you can download the app because the app link is also there in the description, and from there only you can also get some extra sessions which will be for practice, different subjects, different series, quizzes, everything is available, PYQs and all. So guys, this is the very first question from material science. Okay, so my dear, if you see this question, the iron carbon diagram and the triple T curves are determined under equilibrium and non-equilibrium conditions, non-equilibrium and equilibrium conditions, equilibrium condition for both, non-equilibrium condition for both. So my dear, yes, Dalapati, yes, welcome to this session, dear. So we are starting the session now. I feel students are busy in Deepavali, and your answer is correct. A is the right answer. Because when we talk about the iron carbon diagram, it is equilibrium diagram, and triple T diagram is non-equilibrium diagram. Your answer is correct. Very good, guys. So moving to the second question, this is from the casting, and this question is from gate ME 89. This is a good question. Very good, Papa Ghoda. Answer is correct. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Actually, it's good afternoon. So let's see the next question. Two cubical casting of the same metal and sizes of 2 centimeter size and 4 centimeter size. So the castings are cubical, first of all. Okay. So my dear, then they are asking that the smaller casting solidifies in 2 minutes. The expected time for solidification for larger casting. I feel you know this is from Chivarinov's law. TS is directly proportional to V by surface area. It is going to be square of this. So you need to find out the solidification of larger, and solidification of smaller casting is known to you. So you know what you need to do. You know volume by surface area is nothing but modulus. Okay, so you can find out modulus for longer one and modulus for smaller one, because you know volume is A cube for cube and surface area is A square 6A square. So A by 6 will be the ratio. So you can write A by 6 for longer one, A by 6 for smaller one. This will give you the solidification time for longer one. So this type of questions are coming right now also in the GATE exam. So just try to answer this question. Papa Ka Ghoda, Dhalapatti and all other students who are there in the session, please try to answer it. I have already given you the formula which is going to be utilized. Tell me. Okay, so Papa Ghoda is saying D. Let us see, guys. It is 6 will get cancelled out. It is square of that also, है ना? So you would be having A larger का square, A smaller का square. 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So it is 4 का square by 2 का square. And guys, you know, into TS of smaller. So I feel Papa Ghoda, you forgot to multiply this. This ratio will be coming out to be 4, but into time of small will be 2. So answer will be 8 minutes. I feel you forgot to multiply this because we need to find out the longer, not the ratio. So the answer is C, 8 minutes. Got it? Very good. 8 minutes is the correct answer. Very good. Yes or no? Fine. 8 minutes is the correct answer. Very good. So moving to the, अरे भाई A नहीं C. A नहीं, C would be the right answer. Okay. 8 minutes because it is 4 का square 16 by 4 into 2. 8 will be the right answer. So moving to the next question, guys. 3 castings are of the same material. Volume and cast under similar condition means their volume is same. One is of sphere. So they have given volume of sphere is equals to volume of cube is equals to volume of cylinder. So this is mentioned to you. And they are saying ki cylinder with its length and diameter equal. For cylinder, length and dia are also equal. Okay. The ratio of solidification time of sphere to the cube. This is the first part. So you need to see the ratio of solidification time TS. That is sphere to the cube. TS of sphere by TS of cube. TS of sphere by TS of cube. So you know that what you need to do, it is once again volume by surface area of sphere to the volume by surface area of the cube. So my dear, you know that volume by surface area of sphere, it is volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube and surface area is 4 pi r square. You know इसका square भी होगा. I forget square generally. In the exam you need to take care of that. For cube it is a cube by 6a square. Okay, now we don't know the relation between r and a. So they have given that volume of sphere and volume of cube are equal. So 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to a cube. From that you will get the relation between a and r, and what will be the relation? A will be 1.61 times of r. So you know that this is coming out to be what? It is 4 pi r square will get cancelled out by 4 pi r square. You will be getting r by 3. Here a by 6. And you need to do the square of this. You know a is 1.61 r. You just need to put that, you will get the answer. Here they have asked the ratio only. So you can give the answer. Yes. So Papa Ka Ghoda, Dhalapatti, please try and solve it. What would be the answer? So guys, I would like to tell you one thing, that we are going to have the mock test of bark. One mock test is already over. The second mock test of bark will be there on Tuesday. Actually, as because of festival, we have planned it on Tuesday. So Tuesday we have the second mock test of the bark. Be ready for that. What would be the answer for this? Dhalapatti, Papa Ka Ghoda. Can you tell me the answer? Can you tell me the answer? Yes. Tell me the answer. So when you will be solving it, when you will be putting the value sphere by cube, you would be getting it to be, yes, please tell me that. Please inform me. Yes guys, so if any buffering is happen, please inform me that. Okay, so the answer for this will be A. You will be getting 1.54. You will be getting 1.54. So answer will be coming out to be sphere by cube. Sphere by cube will be 1.54. Okay, so 1.54 will be coming. Is it clear? Papa ka ghoda, Dhalapatti, please tell me. So guys, the answer will be, as this session is multi, maybe some student facing difficulty, so please inform if you find any difficulty in this, in the buffering and all. Okay, fine guys. So when we are moving to the second part of this is the solidification time of the sphere to that of cylinder. Of the sphere to that of cylinder. Now they are saying the solidification time of sphere to that of cylinder. Sphere to that of cylinder. So it is going to be volume by surface area. Volume by surface area of sphere का square. Volume by surface area of cylinder का square. So my dear, when you will be putting about the volume by surface area, now it's fine. Now it's fine, Dhalapatti. Now it's fine, Dhalapatti. Don't worry. If any buffering is there, please inform me. I will rectify it. Okay. So guys, you already know for sphere it is nothing but R by 3. We already know. For sphere it is nothing but R by 3. Actually, this session is going on multi. One is on app, also on the YouTube. So when multi session happens, sometimes the problem of buffering happens. So please, if anything happen, please tell me that. So guys, now we are talking about volume by surface area of cylinder. So volume by surface area of cylinder, you know that pi by 4 d square h. H is also d. Then my dear, for surface area will be, for cylinder surface area is pi by 4 d square into 2 plus pi dh. D and h are equal, so pi d square. So you will be getting d square will get cancelled out here. Okay. So you would be getting pi by 4d divided by pi by 2 plus pi. This is the value for volume by surface area of cylinder. You need to find out sphere by cylinder. You can put the value, and when you will be putting this value, it is pi by 4d. Pi by 4d divided by pi by 2 plus pi. Iska square. Now the problem is we don't know about this diameter and radius ratio. This diameter and radius ratio. So when we don't know about this diameter and radius ratio, we know volume of sphere is equals to volume of cylinder. So volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And volume of cylinder is pi by 4d square. H is d only. So from here you will get the relation, and the relation will be coming as d is 1.75 r. D is 1.75 r. So when you will be putting this relation here, r will get cancelled out, and the answer will be coming out to be 1.306. Okay, so previous one answer was 1.54. This is 1.306. B is correct. Now it is correct, Papa ka ghoda, Dhalapatti, please tell me. Now is it correct? Now is it correct? Is it correct for everyone? Please tell me that. Yes. Fine. So guys, the answer will be coming out to be 1.3. Moving to the next question. Now we are entering into welding, my dear. We have seen the question of material science. We have seen the question of casting. Now we are entering into the welding topic. So welding is saying an arc welding DC power source has a linear power source characteristic with open circuit voltage V0 as 80 volt. Short circuit current IS as 1000 amperes. The voltage arc length characteristic is 20 plus 4L. 20 plus 4L. L is the arc length in mm. They are asking calculate the optimum length of arc for obtaining the maximum arc power for arc welding. Ha. Yes, Papa ka ghoda. Fine. Now is it going fine? So guys, now is it going fine? Please tell me. Now is it going fine? So don't worry guys, if this session will be having more problem of buffering, then from the next session we will help in that way that we will not make it multi. So today we are checking it whether the problem is there or not. So if more problem will be there, then from next session we will not be doing it multi. Okay. So my dear, this is the voltage 20 plus 4L. You need to find out the optimum voltage for maximum power. So I feel you know for maximum power, everybody knows that कि optimum voltage is open circuit voltage by 2 and optimum current is short circuit current by 2. So my dear, you can see what is the open circuit voltage. Open circuit voltage is 80 volts. So when you would be going for 80 by 2, this will be 40 volt. And when it is 40 volt, you can equate is 20 plus 4L. Because when voltage will be optimum, then arc length will also be optimum. So this is L optimum. So from this you will be getting L optimum as equals to 5 mm. So my dear, for 40 volts, very good, Papa Goda. So we will be getting 5 mm as the optimum arc length. So optimum arc of length we have calculated. Now they are asking what voltage and current setting should be done. So you have already answered 40 volt and 1000 by 2. So it is 40 volt and 500 amperes. So you have already answered it. But they are also asking about what is maximum arc power. So P maximum will be V optimum, current optimum. Please tell me what you will be getting. 40 volt and 500 ampere. Can you tell me what is the answer in kilowatts? Yes, Papa Ghoda, Dhalapati, what would be the answer? These are the previous questions. Previous question, GATE ME 89. Yes, answer will be 20 kilowatts. 20 kilowatts. 20 kilowatt is correct. Moving to the next question, guys. One more question on welding, and after this question we will be moving to the next chapter. From every chapter I have taken 2-3 question. Total are 19 question I have. Okay, they are the beautiful question and you can have directly as it is in the exam. A weld is made using MIG welding process with the following welding parameters. Current is 200 ampere, voltage is 25 volt. From this you can find out the power V into I. I am giving you steps. Welding speed is 18 centimeter per minute. Wire diameter is 1.2 mm. Wire feed rate is this. Thermal efficiency of the process is this. The heat input per unit length of the weld in kilojoule per centimeter. I told you when you need to find out the heat supply, that is nothing but in kilojoule per centimeter. Then my dear, what you will be going for? The formula for this is efficiency times power divided by welding speed. This is the formula. So power is nothing but the rate of heat generation. So this will be having the units as joule per second. This will be having meter, okay, centimeter per minute is given, centimeter per minute. So my dear, you need to convert this into seconds and this into kilojoule. Then you will be getting the answer. Try to solve it, then I will help you out. I have given you the formula, try by yourself, then I will be solving in front of you. So Dhalapati, Papa ka Ghoda, just try to solve it. Just try to solve it. If you have any doubt about that, I can show you the figure also. This is the workpiece in 3D. So my dear, you need to understand that this direction is the speed of welding. This is the speed of welding. I can show it by VW. Okay. So when you will be dividing this efficiency times power by this, because you know efficiency times power, actually you are finding out heat supply. Power is nothing but the rate of heat generated. So when you are going to apply the efficiency, you will be having the heat supply ka rate by heat generation ka rate. So heat supply ka rate will be nothing but efficiency times heat generation ka rate. That is nothing but efficiency times power. So this will give you the answer in joule per second, but we want in joule per mm, joule per centimeter. So we need to divide it with the velocity. Okay, so Papa ka Ghoda is saying the answer will be A. Are you saying 0.18? Please do it correctly. You are doing some mistake. Please look at the units. I need answer in kilojoule per centimeter. Please look into that. We need answer in kilojoule per centimeter. So I am telling you, when you are finding out heat supply in kilojoule per centimeter, first of all, V into I is the power into efficiency. This V into I is going to give you 25 volt and 200 ampere. So 25 volt and 200 amperes. So this into 10 power 3 to make it in kilowatt. Now it will be kilojoule per second. Then we have welding speed. Welding speed is 18 centimeter per minute. 18 centimeter by 60 second. Now my dear, second will get cancelled out and you will be getting the correct answer. So you would be getting, after solving, 25 volt, 200 amperes, efficiency is 65% into 10 power minus 3 to make it kilojoule, then 18 divided by 60. So now it is kilojoule per centimeter. Answer will be coming out to be 10.83. So today I am feeling ki you guys are in the mood of Diwali, not calculating correctly. So answer for this will be C. Is it clear, Papa ka Ghoda? Dhalapati, you understood? Please tell me. So do like and share the session, guys. Clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? C would be the right answer. Fine. So moving to the next question. Before that, I would like to tell you on 16th of November, strategy to conquer gate 25 in first attempt. There is a free workshop at 7:30 p.m. by Richa Gupta ma'am. You can register for the workshop by going into the link in the description of this session. And this is for those who are thinking of starting preparing for gate 25 preparations. And you can also appear in the test on 11th and 12th, means today and tomorrow. So 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. any time of your choice, and you can get up to 90% of the scholarship for gate 25 programs also. So now onwards you can also get scholarship on gate 25 preparation programs also. Okay. So moving further to the second part of this question. This time they are asking area of cross section. They have given you all the things. So this part is very important. You know that this is our plate, and you know that these plates would be having some length also. So you know this is nothing but the speed of welding, velocity of welding. So you are aware that the molten metal which will be filled in this will be coming from electrode. So we are having some electrode like this. So electrode is coming in the downward direction with some feed. And also electrode is having a wires with some diameter. So you can see whatever the molten metal is coming from electrode only. So if I want to find out the molten metal flow rate, it is pi by 4 diameter of electrode ka square into feed of electrode. This is the molten metal flow rate. Very good, Papa Gagoda. This is the molten metal flow rate coming from electrode, and whatever is coming from electrode will be the part of the weld bead. So this is the area of weld bead. This is the velocity of weld bead. So as here the unit is mm square for diameter, feed is mm per second. So this is mm cube per second. So we can equate it with area of weld into velocity of welding. This is also mm cube per second. So my dear, when you will be doing this, you will be getting the area of weld bead. So you just need to do pi by 4 into diameter of wire is 1.2 ka square. Feed rate of wire is 4 meter, means 4000 mm per 60 second. It is equals to area of weld bead into velocity is 18 centimeter, means 180 mm per 60 second. You will be getting the area of weld bead in mm square. Try to convert properly in the units. What would be the answer, guys? So already first part is answered by you. Dhalapati, Papa Ka Ghoda, try to solve this question. They are beautiful question, handpicked from the previous years. Beautiful questions. Beautiful questions. Answer will be 25.1. Very good. Very, very good. 25.1 mm square is correct answer. Okay. So if you see now, many practice books are coming from different coaching institute. These previous year's question they are putting into them. They are showing that we have made it. It is not like that. They are previous year's questions only. Okay. But the point is we don't go beyond 2000. Isliye if I will show you any question before 2000, you will feel, array, this is a new question. They are old question actually. Okay. So they are beautiful questions. So my dear, now we are entering into metal cutting part. Gate mechanical 97. In a typical metal cutting operation using a cutting tool of positive rake angle. So we take positive rake angle, we will show it by alpha. It was observed that the shear angle is 20 degree. The friction angle is. There is no data about the forces are given. If they give us the force, then we find out the coefficient of friction by doing F by N, and then we will put it as tangent beta and we will be getting the value of beta. This is the correct way to do this. But if they have not given anything in the force, we will go for merchant analysis, which is 2 phi plus beta minus alpha is equals to 90 degrees. From here you can find out the beta. Solve and tell the answer. This is question number 8. This is question number 8. Tell me the answer for this. Question number 8 it is. Okay, Dhalapatti is saying C. So C means 60 degree. Very good. It is correct. It is correct because 40 plus beta minus 10 is equals to 90. Beta will be 60. Moving to the next question, guys. Next question is from gate ME 97. This is question number 9. Question number 9. A cutting tool has a nose radius of 1.8 mm. Feed rate for a theoretical surface roughness is 5 micron is. So you know that, my dear, RT or H max. It is F square upon 8R for a practical surface. For a practical surface. And my dear, if nose radius is 0, then theoretically we calculate as F by tangent CS plus cot CE. So my dear, this formula we are going to use when nose radius is 0. Many students have confusion when to use which formula. So for that I am telling you this. Solve it and get the answer. Here we will use this. Solve this question, guys. Solve this question. Formula is in front of you, data is there. You just need to put the value, get the answer. Yes. अरे भाई, H max is given as 5 microns is equals to feed rate you need to calculate. Nose radius is 1.8. You will be getting feed rate as 0.268 mm per revolution. Clear? Answer will be 0.268 mm per revolution, because they have already given you, yes, they have already given you the value of H max. Moving to question number 10, guys. Moving to question number 10. In orthogonal machining operation, the chip thickness and uncut chip thickness T and TC are equal. You need to find out tangent phi. R cos alpha 1 minus R sin alpha. From here you can get the value of phi. From here you can get the value of phi. R is T by TC. It is 1. And you know, for this condition, when alpha is 0, tangent phi will become R. Tell me the value of phi. Very good, Aisha. The answer is correct. 45 degree. Very good. Answer is correct. Moving further to question number 11. This is from Taylor Tool Life. This is also a question from Gate Mechanical 89. So in this series, we are going for some wonderful old PYQs. So you know, they are asking two cutting tools are being tried for an operation. Taylor's tool life equation for them are as follows: HSS and carbide. You can see this is 0.1 for HSS, 0.35 for carbide. Find out the break-even speed above which carbide tool will be economical. Okay. So you know that we can write velocity for HSS will be 200 by T to the power 0.1 and velocity for carbide 500 by T to the power 0.35. You need to find out the break-even speed actually. Break-even speed means you need to find out that speed after which carbide will be useful. You know that up to some speed HSS, after that carbide will be useful. So just try to solve it and get the answer. Yes. So for that comparison, you would be considering the tool life of high speed steel is equals to tool life of carbide. Because we are comparing the velocities. Sorry, we are comparing the velocities. So we need to equate the time, tool life. So you can write it as 200 by V to the power 1 by 0.1, 500 by V to the power 1 by 0.35. This will give you the value of velocity after which carbide is better, because at that velocity both will give you same tool life. So just tell me what would be the answer, because tool life reduces with the speed. So we wanted to find out that speed up to which we can use HSS, after which we need to go for carbide. So this is the point when both tool life are equal. After that, the tool life of carbide will be more, for HSS will be less. So solve this question. This is question number 11. We have 7-8 more questions to go. Metal cutting is going on. We have question from grinding also, metrology also, NTMM also. So this is a conventional question. Gate Mechanical 89. For 5 marks it was asked. At that time 5 marks questions were also coming. So just do this and tell me the value. So Papa ka Ghoda, Aisha, Dhalapati, try to solve and give the answer for this. Yes. Arey bhai, calculations. Only calculations are there. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Okay. So when you would be equating them, velocity is coming out to be. How you will be solving? Take log on both sides otherwise. Take log on both sides if you find any difficulty. 133.8 meter per minute will be the answer. Okay, 133.8 meter per minute will be the answer. Clear? Shall we move on? This is from Taylor to Life. Moving further, question number 12. Yes, very good, Papa Ghoda, very good. Moving to the next question. In an orthogonal cutting test on the following data were obtained: uncut chip thickness T is 0.25, cutting velocity 60 meter per minute, tool rake angle 0, chip thickness 0.75, cutting force 900 Newton, thrust force 450 Newton. Calculate the shear angle, total power in making the cut, and coefficient of friction between the tool. Try to solve this question. Very good, Aisha. Very good, Aisha. That is acceptable. 138 is acceptable. The answer will be coming in the range of 130 to 140. Actually, that depends on up to how much decimal points we are going. Because when you will be going for 1.01, 1.35, you will be getting some fraction. So if you will be going for 3 decimal, you will get different answer. 2 decimal, you will get different. 1 decimal, you will get different. So that's why for this question, 130 to 140 is acceptable. So whatever you are getting is acceptable. Good, correct answer. Okay. So Papa ka Ghoda, you are answering for which? ये तुमने क्या नाम रखा हुआ है यार, पापा का घोड़ा? What you are getting the answer for this? What you are getting the answer for this? You are getting 35 degree what? First of all, you know that we will be finding out shear angle R cos alpha 1 minus R sin alpha. So from here you will be getting phi is equals to, and phi will be coming out to be, as per my calculation, 18.43. After getting this, you will be going for, yes, you will be going for merchant circle. Tangent beta minus alpha is Ft by Fc. This will give you the value of beta. And coefficient of friction is nothing but tangent beta. You will be getting coefficient of friction. Then total power can be found out, Fc into V. That will be the power. So Papa Ghoda 35, you are telling about the friction angle. That is not correct. Solve it. Phi will be 18.43 degree. After that, you will apply the merchant circle. From merchant circle, this is the case. Tell me. After that, we have 6 more questions to go. 6 more questions to go. So when you will be solving this, ft is given, fc is given, beta will be coming out to be beta. Okay, everybody knows na कि whenever we are going to make the merchant circle, this angle I am talking about, this is fc, this is ft, and this angle is beta minus alpha. So tangent beta minus alpha, ft by fc. Okay, are you saying this to be 35 degree? Are you saying this to be 35 degree? You can, okay, let me check in that case. Let me check in that case. We are going to have r as 1 by 3. R as 1 by 3, so tangent inverse. नहीं भाई 18.43 ही आएगा, अल्फा 0 है। जब अल्फा 0 होता है तो टेंजेंट फाई आर हो जाता है। आर क्या है? 1.25 by 0.75, आर इज 1 by 3, तो टेंजेंट इनवर्स 1 by 3 करोगे तो 18.43 आएगा। पापा का घोड़ा प्लीज चेक, प्लीज चेक। टेंजेंट इनवर्स ऑफ 1 by 3 जब आप करोगे, क्यों 1 by 3 करोगे? अल्फा 0 है, अल्फा 0 तो साइन 0 हो जाएगा, आर कोस 1 हो जाएगा, तो टेंजेंट फाई आर हो गया। फाई टेंजेंट इनवर्स आर, इट इज 18.43। करके देखो, यही आ रहा है भाई। मैं क्लास से पहले भी करा है, अभी भी किया है, 18.43 आ रहा है। चेक करो, मेरा कैलकुलेटर तो नहीं गलत आंसर दे रहा, 18.43 आ रहा है। हाँ बिल्कुल सही, 18.43 इज करेक्ट। अब आप बीटा बताओ, अब बीटा बताओ, बीटा क्या आएगा? 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 अब देखो ft 450 है, fc 900 है, तो ये क्या आ जाएगा? बीटा। अल्फा 0 है, अल्फा 0 है, तो बताओ बीटा क्या है? बीटा भी आ जाएगा लगभग 26.13। ठीक है। अब आपको बीटा पता है तो आप कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन भी निकाल सकते हो, म्यू की वैल्यू भी निकाल सकते हो। सोल्व इट एंड टेल मी द वैल्यूज। हाँ बिल्कुल सही। तो म्यू बता दो, म्यू क्या आ जाएगा? व्हाट विल बी म्यू? म्यू इज 0.5। वेरी गुड आयशा, म्यू इज 0.5। अब पावर बता दो क्या हो जाएगा? एफ सी इंटू वी। एफ सी आपको कितना दिया हुआ है? 900 न्यूटन। एफ सी इज 900 न्यूटन। व्हाट इज वेलोसिटी? 60। सो ये भी बता दो कितना आएगा। पर सेकंड में निकालना है इसको, जूल्स वोट्स में चाहिए। पावर इज रिक्वायर्ड इन वोट्स, तो आप लिखोगे 900 इंटू 60 मीटर पर मिनट है, सो डिवाइड बाय 60। आंसर विल बी 900 वॉट्स। ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? दिस इज अ 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन, तो फ्रॉम दिस आई कैन मेक 4 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन। ओके, वेरी गुड आयशा, वेरी गुड। पापा का घोड़ा, धालापत्ती, आर यू देयर और नॉट? नहीं नहीं नहीं, पापा का घोड़ा भाई कैसे कर रहे हो आप? 60 इज मीटर पर मिनट ना, so we will be converting it in seconds. We want power in watts. Velocity would be changed. Yes. So question number 13 is from grinding. 13 is from grinding. And this type of questions are coming in GATE many times when they are asking about the tool nomenclature specifications. So A 46, M 6, V 21. You know this M will be telling you about the grade. Before that everything is related to the grit. After that everything is related to the wheel. So they are asking you about aluminium oxide. Yes, A denotes aluminium oxide. So either A or C can be correct, B and D is wrong. And this 46 is telling us the sheave number, the number of abrasives per unit area. So 46 is correct. C would be the right answer. Very good. C would be the right answer. Moving further, calculate the bite angle. Now we are in metal forming. This is question number 14 and we are having 5 more questions after this. Total 19 questions I have chosen for you. This is, they are asking you about the bite angle, and you know I feel tangent bite angle is square root of delta RH by radius. So from here you can find out the alpha value. Angle of bite in rolling. Angle of bite in rolling. Do like and share the session, guys. You can see on Deepavali vacation also your teachers are taking classes. We don't have paid classes, but I'm taking YouTube class. Why? For your benefit. I thought today students will be free. So let's have at least 1 hour session for some practice. So next session will be on Tuesday. I will be taking a bark mock test in the morning 11 a.m. And also there will be a session related to Tom PYQs handpicked in the night. Yes. The answer for this, delta H, 12 mm, reducing the thickness by 3 mm. Radius of the roll is 300. The answer will be 5.72 degrees or 0.1 radian. 5.72 degrees or 0.1 radian. आज सारी कैलकुलेशन गलत हो रही है भाई. Question number 14. हाँ, that's correct. Moving to question number 15 now. This is from Gate Mechanical 1998. A strip with cross-sectional area 150 cross 4.5 is being rolled with 20% reduction of area. You know that when they are saying 150 cross 4.5, this is the width, this is the thickness, or you can show it by H. You know that in the rolling it is our assumption that width will not change. So whatever this reduction will come, that will come in only in H naught. So if you want to find out the final height, it is 4.5 into 80% because 20% is reduced. You will get it to be 3.6. Okay, so once you get this final height, the angle subtended, tangent alpha, delta H by R. Delta H is 4.5 minus 3.6. For radius of the roller is, diameter is 450. Find out alpha. Find out alpha. This is question number 15. We have 5 more to go. Five more to go. Answer will be, अरे भाई, answer is to be given in radian. Radian. So whatever you get alpha, if you are getting in degrees into pi by 180, that will be your answer. They are asking in radians. So don't worry, you are learning from the mistakes. Tell me. You would be getting अरे भाई, first of all, 4.5 minus 3.6 will be 0.9. So when I am going to divide 0.9 by 225 and I am taking the tangent inverse of that. So in degrees it is 0.229 and then into pi by 180. Are you not getting 0.06? 0.06 is correct. You will be getting 0.06 radians. 3 will also come. Moving to the next question from sheet metal operation. Gate mechanical 96. They're asking the diameter of die. They are saying 50 mm diameter disc is to be punched out. It means you are given the dia of blank is 50 mm. And they are asking you the die size. They have given you radial clearance 3% of the sheet thickness. So it is 3 by 100. ध्यान से देख लो. They are asking you die size. They have given you diameter of blank. अरे भाई इसमें सोचना पड़ रहा है क्या? डोंट यू रिमेंबर डाई साइज एंड ब्लैंक साइज आर इक्वल. पंच साइज एंड होल साइज आर इक्वल. सो आंसर विल बी बी. गॉट इट और नॉट? Got it or not? Moving to the next question. This is question number 17. Two more questions after this. They are asking you the type of fit. The size of shaft is. Nominal size 20. Size of hole. Which type of fit is there? Very easy question. This is the maximum size of shaft. This is the minimum size of hole. So maximum size of shaft is more than minimum size of hole. When maximum size of shaft is not more than, actually less than. When maximum size of shaft is less than the minimum size of hole, it means always shaft will be smaller than hole. When shaft is always smaller than hole, the fit will be clearance fit. C will be the right answer. Moving to the second last question. 3-to-1 method of location in jigs and fixture would collectively restrict the workpiece in n number of degrees of freedom. So I feel everybody know that when we apply 3 pins, 2 pins and 1 pins, overall they restrict 9 degree of freedoms. 5 degree of freedoms are restricted by this, 3 degrees of freedom are restricted by these 2 pins, and 1 degree of freedom is restricted by this 1 pin. So answer will be C for this. And now we are moving to the last question. Question number 19. This is from electrochemical machining. ECM of alloys the question is. Okay, and they are asking you the following data is available and you need to find out the MRR. MRR in cubic centimeter per hour. Yes, Papa Gagoda, you are correct. So this is the last question, guys. This is the last question. So I feel you know the formula for MRR is atomic weight, current or we can also write EI divided by rho f. Here E will be calculated 1 upon E is equals to, you know, E is defined as atomic weight by valency. So 1 by E will be, first of all, cobalt is for 18%. So cobalt is having a, so 1 by E of cobalt 0.18. 1 by E of nickel. Nickel is there for 62%. 1 upon E of chromium. (0.2). Okay, so when you will be solving it, so when you will be solving it, you will be getting the value of E. Putting value of E, density, Faraday's I, you will get MRR. So when you will be solving this, I am giving you the answer. MRR will be 0.1133 cubic centimeter per hour. Okay, because from here you would be getting centimeter cube per second. So you need to convert it into hour as well. Okay, so this is the completion of all 19 questions, guys. Okay. So these are the vision courses going on for 2024-2025. You can join them for the complete syllabus of GATE, EST, PSU, everything. And also you can join my Telegram channel to get the free access to handwritten notes of mine, PDFs, practice questions, my assignments, and many more. So goodbye guys for this particular session, and happy Diwali to all of you in advance. Enjoy the festival. We will be meeting again Tuesday 11 AM for BARC mock test. Okay, so if you are appearing for technical officer, join that test. Even if you are preparing for ISRO or maybe HPCL or maybe BEL, then also that session can help you. Okay, so goodbye guys for this particular session, and do like and share it with your friends. And you can also join the quiz which is there in app for same subject, and for that you need to download the app. The link is there in the description. Goodbye for this session.